Hello, welcome to MATLAB1.com. In this video tutorial, I want to teach you how to use Weka in MATLAB. Weka is one of the powerful software for machine learning. It is open source machine learning software, can be used throughout a GUI, graphic user interface, or standard terminal application or Java API. It is widely used for teaching, research, or industrial application, and there are many machine learning models in Weka. One of the disadvantages of using MATLAB is that MATLAB doesn't have all of the machine learning model that we can use. The developer of MATLAB at the MathWorks company are adding new machine learning model to MATLAB, but Weka has a more machine learning model than MATLAB. So it is very useful to use the Weka model in MATLAB, and you can use when you are an expert in MATLAB or using MATLAB for a long time. You can use the Weka model in your project, and you can use the many of the machine learning model in Weka in your model. At the first step, you must download the Weka from its website. There are many types of websites, for example, for Windows, for Macintosh, for Linux, or other platform. You can download this software and install in your computer. After installing the Weka in your system, for example, the Weka 38.4 is installed in this path of my computer. We can see all of the Weka file in here. And in the dock you can access to the help of this software, or you can use the this website for document, or this website for getting familiar with different ability and capability of software. After downloading and installing the Weka in your systems, I want to teach you how to use the Weka model in your MATLAB code. For example, you write a code to classify the face, image of face by neural network, but you want to use the AdaBoost. For example, you want to use a BaseNet or bagging or another 1R model. I want to teach you how to use this model in your MATLAB code. You can see all of the classifiers that Weka support in this list. There are many classifiers that you can use. For example, multi-layer perceptron. You can go to the multi-layer perceptron, and we'll teach you how to use it, how to set these options. For example, learning rate, momentum, number of epoch, or for example, you can do J48. It is a type of decision tree classifier. You can see how we will see how to use it in your MATLAB code, or you can change the option of this model in your code, or another model, for example, tree model. We will see how to use tree model in a MATLAB code. And when you getting familiar with using Weka in your MATLAB code, you can write better code in a machine learning project, because there are many models that MATLAB Weka support. For example, random forest is another model that you can use in MATLAB. Okay, thank you very much for your watching. For example, you can see the output one of my code. In this code, I use the three classifier KNN, TC, and Bayesian, and you can see the accuracy of my code is 100. For ordering the complete video, please go to matlab1.com. After buying this video tutorial, you can see the full video and the MATLAB code in near of this video.